In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Gmail accounts. If you use more than one Gmail address for work, school, or personal messages, there's a quick way to jump between them in your web browser without signing out each time. I'll walk you through how to switch instantly, how to add another account if it's not already there, and a few simple tips to keep everything running smoothly. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari all work great. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or a colored circle with your initials. Click that image or initials to open a small menu. This menu shows all the Google accounts that are currently signed in on this browser. To switch, simply click the other Gmail account you want. Gmail will take you straight to that inbox right away. There's no need to sign out of the first one, and you can go back the same way whenever you like. If you don't see the account you want to use, you probably haven't signed into it in this browser yet. No problem, click your profile image or initials again and choose Add another account. A sign-in page will open. Enter the email address and password for the other Gmail account you want to use and complete any verification prompts if they appear. After you finish signing in, return to Gmail. From now on, that account will appear in the same profile menu, and you can switch between your inboxes in just a click. One nice thing to know is that Gmail lets you stay logged into multiple accounts at the same time. That means you can toggle between them quickly without signing out of anything, which is especially handy if you move between personal and work messages throughout the day. If you open the profile menu and only see one account, that simply means you're signed into one right now. Use Add another account to bring the other one in. Also, make sure your browser allows cookies, since Gmail relies on them to remember you and let you switch seamlessly. If cookies are blocked or cleared frequently, you may be asked to sign in again. Finally, if you like keeping accounts separate, you can open each Gmail in its own browser tab or even in different browser profiles so you can keep them side by side and avoid mixing anything up. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Try it now and enjoy effortless switching between your Gmail accounts.